Right now I am at Velvet Monkey Foundation. The clip after here is where I live with the host family before I take a bus to the center. I have not so much time to get some breakfast in the morning because I forget to set the clock correctly, and we have was first stop here. We have 15 minutes to get some food, so I've just buy some snacks and some soda. I hope to get some food in the center. See you soon. Bye. Finally, I'm on Velvet Monkey Foundation. And see, there's Velvet monkeys behind me in the closure. Dear friends and loved ones, this is my first night here in Velvet Monkey Foundation. I have a cottage, a very small little house made of wood. There's 2 beds, 2 small tables, and I'm alone. I have only this little flashlight here on my chest to light this little house up so I can see what is in it of exciting animals maybe. The day have been very good. When I was coming to the bus stop, there was one of the staff member of the Velvet Monkey Foundation that was coming to pick me up. She was driving me to the center, and there was another one that was to show me a little bit around. And after that, I have my off time to do what I want to do. Here was to take a shower, make me a little bit of home here where I'm staying the next 14 days. Get vegan food. Vegan food. And after that I was talking with the volunteers and working a little bit on the computer. So it's been a very good day. And see you tomorrow to our next day of exciting things. See you soon.